video on the Python tutorial series for beginners on my channel, Code with Tomi. In this video, we are going to be switching IDEs. I want us to get used to two different IDEs, so we know how to operate both PyCharm and any other IDE you want to use. And we are going to be switching our IDE to Visual Studio Code. It's similar and popular, just like PyCharm is a software developed by Microsoft, and it has all the powerful engines to run our code, whether in Python, C Sharp, HTML, any language. So now let's just dive straight into installing Visual Studio Code. To do that, just go to your Chrome and just type download Visual Studio Code from her, and then the first results that come out, click it. Actually, I don't click this one, I click this next one, the code.visualstudio/docs. Yes. Then when you click it, it should give you this. You see all the process on how to do everything, but what I just want you to do is to just click on this download Visual Studio Code. That's what you need. Then once you download it, you automatically download the one for your OS. But if you download the one for under OS, just come to this list here and then click if you're on a Windows or Linux or any other OS, and then install it. However, installation is done on your OS. And that's all for this video. I just wanted to introduce you guys to Visual Studio Code. In the next video, we are going to import our projects in which we'll be coding on PyCharm, and then we're going to continue our tutorial series on Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching.